All right, boys and girls, we're in the shop truck. Nope, still haven't come up with a name with it yet, or for it yet. With it yet? For it yet. That's what we're gonna do. But I've already made a change, and I need you guys to stick around and check it out. Yeah, welcome to Honest Paint Speed Shop. I've already put 50 miles on it, and I got it on Saturday, and it's Tuesday now. So I've been driving this thing, and I've been really, really pleased with it. All I did was I just went and took it to get some fuel. So when I get home, we'll talk a little bit about the change that I made. And we'll just bring you back just a tickle to when we brought it home also. So, you know, stick around for just a little bit. I got to get home. It's about 7 miles. Yep, it is a one owner. Saw the Carfax. It is true. It is a one owner vehicle. Now, it's not fully loaded up. As you can tell, it's got steel wheels on it. And some street tires, which, not great. However, it's going to be perfect for exactly what we need. Now, it's going to pull nothing, probably, but it's going to haul junk. And it's also going to be the spare, in case Peyton does need it. Sorry about the wind. But this thing is just as clean as it looks. Now, the paint is not in super perfect condition, of course, because it is a 2011, and that's fine. But you can't beat this thing with a stick. And it's got a topper. Yeah. I mean, composite bed, that's fine. I'm going to take this topper off because I don't love toppers, but I can't guarantee when I'm going to take it off. It's just going to be off. But you guys enjoy that little trip down memory lane, so you can remember what it looked like when we got out at home. I also want to say that this heater is fantastic. I mean, I had to turn it down, which I'll tell you what, Minnesota, that's not a complaint. Also, traveling about 55 miles an hour, this thing's just going straight down the road, riding nice. Man, I can't beat this with a stick, you know, I'm just saying. Anyway, well, we're about 60 miles now. I'll tell you what, first 60 miles, this thing's been doing great. Very excited about it. I'm gonna stop talking now, and when I get home, we're gonna show you that change. Man, it's a great truck. Now I'm gonna show you what I did. Now, look, didn't do anything bad. I think I made it better. Yeah, that had to go. It just, boom, look at that. It's perfectly, it's perfectly stored. Oh, yeah. What do you think? Yeah, I think so too. The topper was definitely something that had to go because, you know, you saw, look at it. It's definitely a proper, not 100-year-old dude. Actually, he was 80. So 80-year-old guy, topper, it makes sense. Yeah, no, it's not a thing anymore. There's one thing I got to do real quick, and we'll wrap this up. I'm not sure how long it's been that the topper's been on here, but I'm going to assume it's going to be pretty much most of its life. And that's super cool, but it's not super cool for us. Now, here's the thing we're going to do. That's right, kids. Boom. Right there. Okay. First change is made on our shop truck, and I think it looks fantastic. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Next video we're going to do about the truck is going to be how we're going to load this out to be a proper truck that we're going to be able to use for whatever. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little fun little whatever it is. So anyway, keep on wrenching.